I am Dr. M.H. Moulavi and I am presenting a demonstration video on preparation of quinone from hydroquinone for SY-BSc student. This is a representative reaction wherein the starting material hydroquinone is converted into the benzoquinone or quinone using the potassium dichromate in concentrated sulfuric acid as an oxidizing agent. Starting material hydroquinone is brown color crystalline solid and it is converted into the nice yellow crystals of quinone using the potassium dichromate in concentrated sulfuric acid using oxidation reaction. Principle of this preparation is when hydroquinone is oxidized by oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate in concentrated sulfuric acid, it is converted into quinone. This is a reaction. Hydroquinone is oxidized by using potassium dichromate in concentrated sulfuric acid oxidizing agent into benzoquinone or quinone. In this reaction, potassium dichromate sulfuric acid is an oxidizing agent which contain chromium 6 as an active oxidant species, while chromium 6 species is reduced to chromium 3 by using hydroquinone as a reducing agent. Chemicals for these practicals are hydroquinone, potassium dichromate, concentrated sulfuric acid and the distilled water. Solid chemicals are weighed on a chemical balance while the liquid chemicals are measured by using measuring cylinder. So accordingly, hydroquinone is weighed 0.5 gram, potassium dichromate is weighed 1 gram, concentrated sulfuric acid weighed 1 ml while the distilled water is measured is 15 ml. Procedure: first take 0.5 gram hydroquinone and 5 ml distilled water in a beaker to form solution. Then heat on the wire gauze to obtain the clear solution. Care should be taken that no solid should be obtained after cooling. After that, take 1 gram of potassium dichromate in a conical flask and dissolve it in 10 ml distilled water. This is conical flask. Potassium dichromate is added and 10 ml water is added to form potassium dichromate solution. After that, 1 ml concentrated sulfuric is added to this solution. Shake and cool the potassium dichromate solution in ice cold water. The reaction is exothermic, so it is added in ice cold water and it is shaken vigorously. Then add hydroquinone solution to potassium dichromate solution. Potassium dichromate solution is kept in the ice cold water. Care should be taken that temperature of the mixture should not rise above 20 degrees Celsius. To ice cold solution of potassium dichromate solution, add hydroquinone solution drop wise over 30 minutes using a dropper. This is a dropper. Flask is shaken. After addition, flask is shaken for about 10 minutes. After this shaking, yellow crystals of quinone separate out and this is our product, that is benzoquinone. Filter the product at suction pump and drain water well by pressing with glass stopper. This is a suction pump and we are filtering our reaction mixture in vacuum pump. Dry the product well and record the practical yield. This is harsh funnel containing our dry product. Practical yield was 0.347 gram.